All right, from here we're gonna go back to our polygon tool. Uh, I'm not deselecting, right? We're making a triangle. I just hit down on my arrow key, and then we're gonna make it orange. All right, we're still in our polygon tool, but we're gonna open it up to our star tool. So the star tool, 3, however many sides. For ours, we're gonna see we do 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we have this shape. Um, we got our size right here. Uh, for this, we're gonna go black fill. We're gonna grab it. We're gonna shift. Then we're gonna put it straight up. Kind of angle it here. Maybe this line. Maybe find the center. We got our center and center. Oops. All right. And then we know our arrange send to back. All right. So we have that. All right. So we're going to use the line tool. We're going to press and hold the star tool until we get the line. And then to the right of the orange bird's foot, we're going to press and drag any directions to draw a line. We're not going to release the mouse yet. As you drag, press the shift key to keep the constraint to the line 45 degrees. Notice the length of the measure is next to the pointer as you drag. Drag directly to the right until you have a line about 0.4 inches. Uh, and then key. And then release the mouse. All right, so with the line selected, we're going to change the stroke to 13. And in the properties panel to the right of the document, all right, so we got our half-inch line. Uh, at 45 degrees. And we're going to put a stroke on to make it dark orange. We got 13. All right, so with this thing selected, I'm gonna rotate to 90, and then Control Z. Just make sure you shift when you resize. All right. All right, so I got this and this, right? So I'm gonna highlight them, double check. It wasn't exactly lined up. All right, so I'm gonna highlight both these, right? I'm gonna Control G to group them, and then I'm gonna hit these transform options. So why do we do that? Normally, uh, let me turn that thing off, right? So normally, see how the stroke stays the same, right? So unless when I click on this group, unless I go into the group options and scale and stroke effects, strokes and effects, everything's going to scale, right? So I should have hit shift, but now I scaled both of them instead of one, right? Effect wise. So I got this, maybe find out where the midline is. Go this way on it. Remember, edit, oh geez, what did I do? For real? Uh, oh come on, really? All right, midline, right there, there, good. Edit, copy, edit, paste in front, grab the other one. So let's probably make sure they're both, touching the midline. All right, now it's the part that everybody likes the most. We're going to um, add some coloring by making a whole bunch of clipping masks. All right, so this is what we keep going over. It seems to be the tricky part, so it's good to do it. So I'm going to do edit, copy. I have to highlight something first. Edit, copy, edit, paste in front, right? All right, good. These two are the same, right? Now I'm going to go for this one, edit, copy, edit, paste in front. And then I'm just going to shrink them a little bit, right? Now I'm going to take, oops, All right. Now, say if the orange one was in front. I don't want the front to be orange, but the orange one is front, green is in the back, right? And then I did my intersect tool. That's what would happen. If I did my subtract tool, that's what would happen. Join tool, normal size. And then I guess that would happen for this, right? All right, so those are the four things. Now I have to do a color swap, so we'll practice that. So I'm gonna take this shape that I have in the background, I'm gonna hit the eyedropper on it. That should have worked. All right, try one more time. All right, I want this shape to be orange, so I highlight that shape, and then I eyedrop, right? Now if I want this shape right here to be green, I have it highlighted, eyedrop, now it's green. All right, one more time. Why did I do that? Because I wanted to see what happened there. See why the intersection. You might not be able to see it, but it's green because it's the middle part, and it's where they that's what's left, right? And it's the green part of it, right? So we don't want that. We want the minus tool path. All right, we got that part of the toucan. Um, layers. Let's see what I'm actually clicked on. Good. Edit, copy, edit, paste in front. All right. Now say I wanted his beak to be red for most of it. I'm gonna do. I could. We'll figure it out in a second, but um, just like a straight red. Uh, I don't know. Maybe do a triangle. So let's go triangle tool. Where are you? Bringing it all back. Was triangle in here? Yeah. So there's no triangle, obviously, but if we're doing polygon and I click, it defaults to triangle. Okay. All right. So I kind of want something like that, maybe. Turn this guy red. Um, yeah. I don't know if I like that. Let's go rotate a little. Go in a little bit. All right. That's okay. All right. So now for that, if you wanted this in front, you go arrange, bring to front. All right. So now we kind of have that idea. Just a little off center on this guy. Oof. Might have to redo him. I don't hate it on the bottom though. I mean, I don't know. It looks kind of cool. And then let's do some blue stuff. Let's go, I don't know, practice some of our old skills. Go ellipse tool, cancel that, selector, rotate, direct selector, path, let's make it like that. Um, Curvature tool. Uh, maybe not. If you get something you like, do it that way. I'm gonna go, I guess, just a little bit more regular. All right, so just like a irregular type shape. Um, call them blue. Just to see what it would look like eventually. All right, so you can push in, push out the handles. All right, let's go. I want to see if this works. Control G, right? Edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Grab the copy. Ungroup. I'm gonna select all these. Cancel. Just double check. Gonna run the shape builder on them. Control Z. Shape builder's off them. All right, so we got one shape now. Like for this stuff, you can make it bigger. You can mess around because it doesn't have to be the whole thing. right? So if like some of it's going to go away. So if it's, oops, if it's too big in some spots, but it'll look good when you clip it, definitely do it. All right, so I guess when you do the shape builder, you can't get rid of some of these paths. Delete, delete. Opposite of what I wanted. All right, so now we got this thing. And we would just have to, oh, that's why, because it's a group now. All right, so, all right, and then we got, all right, so for this, your challenge is to make the blue part better. So if I was gonna, do it again, this one kind of got messed up. I would delete that. This looks okay. Take my big shape, edit, copy, edit, uh, paste in front, edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Turn my back one orange. Throw him back up there. Red's good. Arrange. Bring the front. All right. And then same thing. I would just do the one shape instead of messing around. Copy. Paste in front. All right, I'm gonna scrap this one. I just don't like it. Um, you know what? I think I'm gonna do like this, right? And then, uh, all right, then maybe like these are all our old skills from all the different stuff, right? This is just like crafty, uh, where we kind of make these even, right? Highlight, maybe do it with the shape builder. All right, good. Control minus. All right, so after a lot, we got a bird beak using some of our old skills. So long one. It was just messing with that same strategy we've been using, hopefully. And just like not for this one, but just in general, look, some of the other things that we learned. No, maybe we'll do it in another video. It's getting long.